How do we know if something is a healthy choice for us? What does a healthy body and a healthy mind look like and feel like? How do we make healthy choices that are right for us while respecting other people's choices? What would you do if you are in a situation involving vaping? Let's watch and find out more.
This was a lot of fun last time we played, and I learned new moves.
Yeah, it was really tiring and hard to get through it. I want to see how long I can keep going this time and get better each time.
Hey, what is this? I've never seen something like this before. It looks like a pen, or maybe it goes in the computer.
I think it's something like a cigarette that you smoke.
Well, why don't they just smoke a cigarette?
I don't think it's bad like a cigarette. I think I heard one of my dads say people use it to stop smoking.
Whose is it? How does it work?
I don't know.
I don't know.
We shouldn't be touching it. Let's put it back.
Let's see how it works. Let's try it.
No, I don't think it's good for your body.
It can't be that bad or do anything to us if we're just trying it. Why would people use it if it's that unhealthy?
I think it can be harmful no matter how many times someone tries it.
But why would people use it then?
I think my dad said that some people only do it sometimes to relax or when they're with friends. Not all the time. So maybe it's not that bad.
Let's ask my dad about it. He's in the other room.
No, we might get in trouble for touching it.
No, we won't. My dad always tells me to ask about things I want to know about.
The product the character has found is called a vape. It's time to pause and talk about what you know about vaping, what questions you have about vaping, and what you might do in this situation.
We found this on the table and don't know what it is. What is it?
It's called a vape. It heats up liquid inside that turns into a vapor that people can then inhale.
Is it bad for you?
It isn't harmless. It does contain chemicals that can contain nicotine, like in a cigarette. And sometimes it can have another substance in it called cannabis.
Why do people use it then?
Some people use it to try to quit smoking. So they don't use it for long, but it helps them quit. Other people might use it only on a few occasions. Like people might use other substances that are legal for adults to use, like cannabis.
I don't think anyone should use it.
A vape is not something kids should use. It's not legal for anyone under 19. It can be really harmful for your breathing and can also become a habit that's very hard to stop.
Then why do adults use it?
Adults use it for a lot of different reasons, and some people don't use it at all. It is legal for adults to use, so they get to make their own choices about vaping. We can only decide what's best for our own health, just as other people get to make their own decisions about their health. Now, please give me the vape and I'll put it in a safer place. It's time for you to get back to your game before you run out of time.
Hey, there's another one here that I think is also a vape.
Why don't you two play first and I'll go give it to my dad so they can put it with the other vape. It should be in a safer place too. I don't want my younger sister to find it either.